What's the rarest thing in the universe? Is it a diamond, gold? Maybe some exotic element from a distant star? You might be surprised to learn that the answer is something you see every single day, something you're doing right now. Let's start with what we know is rare. Take gold, for example. We think of it as precious, but on a cosmic scale, it's not that special. A single supernova explosion can create more gold than all the gold ever mined on Earth. Neutron star collisions. They forge unimaginable amounts of it, scattering it across the galaxy. How about something truly exotic, like antimatter? We can create it in tiny amounts in labs like CERN, but it's incredibly unstable. The moment it touches regular matter, poof, they annihilate each other in a burst of energy. While it's rare in our corner of the universe, some theories suggest there might be entire galaxies made of antimatter somewhere out there, so maybe not the rarest. What about something we can't even see, like a white hole? The theoretical opposite of a black hole, a white hole would spew out matter and energy instead of sucking it in. No one has ever observed one, and according to our current understanding of physics, they might not even be possible. That makes them pretty rare, maybe even non-existent. But let's think bigger. Let's think about complexity. Think about all the things in the universe. Stars, planets, nebulae, galaxies, they are all governed by relatively simple physical laws. Gravity pulls things together. Nuclear fusion makes stars shine. It's a beautiful, elegant, but ultimately predictable dance of matter and energy. Now, consider something different. Consider life. Life doesn't just follow the rules, it bends them. Life takes the simple, chaotic building blocks of the universe: carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, organizes them into structures of breathtaking complexity. A single cell is more intricate than the most complex star cluster. It has machinery, a blueprint in its DNA, and the ability to replicate itself. It fights against entropy, the universal tendency towards disorder, creating pockets of incredible order. So, is life the rarest thing? Well, we only have one example: life on Earth. We look out at the billions of galaxies, each with billions of stars, and we see nothing. Silence. The Fermi paradox asks, if the universe is so vast, where is everybody? Maybe life itself is an incredible fluke. The specific conditions needed for life to arise: stable star, a planet in the habitable zone, the right chemical ingredients, and a whole lot of luck might be so rare that we are truly alone. But let's take it one step further. What if life does exist elsewhere? Perhaps on some distant water world, there are simple microbes floating in the oceans. Maybe on a super-Earth, there are strange six-legged creatures roaming a crimson jungle. That would be amazing, but even then, there's something potentially even rarer. I'm talking about intelligence. The ability to not just exist, but to understand existence. The ability to look up at the stars and ask, what are they? The ability to develop mathematics, science, and art. The ability to build telescopes that let us peer back to the dawn of time. Out of the billions of species that have ever lived on Earth, only one has developed this kind of technological intelligence. Just one. That's an incredibly slim chance. Think about it. Dinosaurs ruled the Earth for 150 million years, but they never built a campfire or wondered about the shape of the planet. Intelligence, as we know it, is not an inevitable outcome of evolution. It's a wild card, a fluke, a 1 in a billion shot. So, is intelligent life the rarest thing? It's a strong contender. If we are the only species in our galaxy capable of broadcasting our existence into space, that makes us astonishingly rare. But we can go even one level deeper. What is the pinnacle of intelligence? It's consciousness, self-awareness, the subjective experience of being you. It's not just about processing information like a computer. It's the feeling of warmth from the sun, the taste of your favorite food, the sound of music that gives you chills. It's the voice inside your head, your memories, your hopes, your fears. It's the story you tell yourself about who you are. We don't know how consciousness arises. Is it a unique property of the human brain's complex neural network? Could a sufficiently advanced AI ever become truly conscious? Or would it just be an incredibly convincing simulation? We have no idea. We can't even prove that other people are conscious in the same way we are. We just assume they are. This mystery, known as the hard problem of consciousness, is one of the biggest unanswered questions in science. So, here's the final thought. The rarest thing in the known universe might be you, right now. Your specific consciousness, your unique combination of thoughts, memories, and feelings has never existed before and will never exist again. You are a singular, fleeting moment of awareness in the vast, silent expanse of space-time. Think about the chain of improbable events that led to you. The universe had to form in just the right way. Our galaxy had to form. Our sun and earth had to form. Life had to arise from non-living matter. It had to survive for billions of years, evolving through countless forms. Your ancestors had to survive, meet, and have children, generation after generation, in an unbroken chain stretching back millions of years. A single break in that chain, and you wouldn't be here. All of that cosmic and biological history has converged into this very moment, allowing you to exist and to comprehend the very universe that created you. We are the universe's way of knowing itself. So, the next time you look up at the night sky and feel small, remember this. Those stars are made of simple hydrogen and helium. The empty space between them is just a vacuum. They are common. You are the real miracle. Your conscious awareness, your ability to wonder, to love, and to ask what is the rarest thing in the universe. That is the most precious and extraordinary phenomenon we know of. It is the rarest thing in the universe. Thanks for watching.